In this video, how to fix Shift F10 not working when installing Windows 11. As you can see, when installing Windows 11, you have to connect to the internet to continue. To bypass this requirement, you need to press Shift F10 to open the command prompt and run the bypass command. But when you press the combination keys, nothing happens. The root of the problem is that you're using a laptop, so you need to press the FN Shift F10 combination keys instead of Shift F10 only. As you can see, it works now. Additionally, in this screen, you cannot type in the command prompt. It's because the command prompt is not the active window. So let's press Alt-Tab to switch to it and make it active. As you can see, now you can type the bypass command normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.